title of my presentation is Machine-Based Crop Management System. Actually, I have prepared it as a concept note. And the overview of my presentation is what is precision agriculture. It is the exact term used to define my problem. Next, I am going to say its goal, and then the technologies used in developed countries, and then the conditions prevailing in Indian agriculture. And I am going to propose my system. It's a model actually, and I am going to say how it is suitable for the Indian condition. And what is precision agriculture? It's an information and a technology-based crop management system. It actually measures and examines the current soil and crop quality, and it also measures the spatial and temporal inconsistency within the field. That is the crop stress and organic matter and the moisture holding capacity will differ within the field and between the field also. So here we are in a position to use the precision agriculture to save our earth and to improve the health condition of our people. And its goal is to improve the productivity, that is optimal productivity, sustainability and the safety of the environment by using proper input and the precise input. And this is the example field with different vegetation density. The vegetation density differs from field to field, and water deficiencies also differs, and crop stress also differs from place to place. And the jobs undertaken in this agriculture is first the local need of the crop is acquired, and then as on the go monitoring they are getting the quality of the state of the soil, and immediately they are spraying the fertilizer, herbicide, pesticide like inputs to the field. And then the technologies used in developed countries are a map-based system. In map-based system, they use satellite images, GPS receiver, and they develop the map to use the variable rate applicator. And then the sensor-based system, video camera, still camera, and multi-spectral thermal imaging cameras are used to sense the field, and then accordingly they will apply the inputs. And then in map-based system, they are following this procedure. First, grid sampling a field. The field is sampled, and then they are performing laboratory analysis. They are taking the soil and they are performing laboratory analysis, and they are generating the map by placing the information about the soil and the crop in the remote sensing image. And finally, they use that map to control the variable rate applicator. And in sensor-based system, tractors like devices are used with the sensors and the controllers, and they are determining the soil properties on the go, and then they are estimating the input needs, and finally this information is transferred to the controller, and then the controller is responsible for spraying the inputs. And then this is an example sensor-based system. In the tractor, the controller and the sensors are used, and then the GPS receiver. By using this GPS receiver, they are getting the location and then the soil information in the map, and then accordingly they are pouring the soil. And then some unmanned aircraft is also used for this purpose. Actually, it is similar to Daksha, which was developed by MIT Chennai students, and recently it was used for in the rescue committee. It has gone to Uttarakhand to help the rescue committee, but so far it is not used for agricultural purpose. Actually, my long-term plan is to use this Daksha for agricultural purpose. And then remote sensing. What is the difference between remote sensing and low altitude high resolution image that is acquired using aircraft? Means it is much higher resolution, that is we get a higher resolution image, and then we can easily relate the image pattern with the ground truth image, with the soil state. And then
1 minute. 1 minute you have.
Okay sir. And then the conditions, farm sizes are very small, and then small number of farmers are there, scarcity of laborers. I all know that these are the small problems available in Indian agriculture. So the need for the proposed system is we have to modernize agriculture. It needs precision, and then we have to apply sophisticated technology into it, and then that device should be affordable. So that device should also protect the environment. So I have designed such a device, and then the domain I have taken is vegetable farming, and the problems faced by the farmers are how to remove the weed, and then identifying the disease, and that too we have to apply it precisely. So these are the problems, and the example vegetable farming is given over here, and this is the model I have developed for this purpose, and it has cameras, scanners, and fertilizer cartridges like that. Then the actions it performs, that it decides whether we have to pour the fertilizer or pesticide or all the three like that, and then the robot is now in the field, and it is moving like a mouse, and it stops whenever the service is required. When it finds there is a lack of fertilizer, there is a lack of nutrient content, it will pour the fertilizer, and if it is some pest, it will pour the pesticide. And the advantages of the system is need-based application, and it saves money, and it protects the soil, water, there is environment, it ensures safe food, there is chemical-free food. And then the conclusion is India is an agricultural country. Enforcing information and technology into this agriculture is very essential, and we are in a position to increase the value of the money, and it is only possible due to corporate farming, and we have to improve the Indian agriculture. But nowadays farmers are not willing to do the agriculture, and they are selling their land to real estate business. So the proposed robo will encourage the farmers, and they will help to realize the farmers that they are very important to the society, and they will definitely help to develop the country. And then the inputs are spared only in the required amount, so that the environment degradation will be minimized, and people get fresh and healthy vegetables. And our long-term plan is to do a collaborative project with the MIT and Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, and to use that Daksha into this agricultural purpose. Actually, I have come here to inquire how to apply the project, and then how to whom I approach to develop such a system. That's actually I have prepared a concept, it's a model, it has not been implemented. To know all this information only I have come here.
It probably should be the other half where that is going on.
Okay, actually I asked earlier, they said only speakers can do this, only the